Jillian! Look, oh! Look at this!
Oh my!
It's kawawa. Can you help it fix? Can you help me fix it? I think you're very good. Sorry.
Get your head away.
It's okay.
Put when you want. Shh. I want the ball.
Go, Jillian! No, Jillian, hair muna. Don't help. She knows. Come here, dito ka. Don't help, she knows.
Ate, what is it?
Okay, and then?
Why? What's up?
Wow! Let's show mommy over here. Can I have? Give me. Wow! That's so pretty. Okay. That's good. At least you did it. Okay.
I want to look at her. I will do the pony hair. Here, can you fix this? Yeah.
Wow! Galing naman ni Jill. She fixed it.
What happened to the
Wow. Clap! Everybody clap!
Okay, but what happened to the feet?
It's okay.
What happened?
Baliktad.
Yeah.
Baliktad yung feet. Okay, so it's weird, but bye.